Hello.
And welcome back
To Here We Tow. It's 5:15. It's Monday the 12th of November 2018 and we're going on a little holiday to Bath Chew Valley. But we're not taking our Adria, so just what are we taking? Stay with us to find out. Hello and welcome back to Here We Tow. If you remember, back in September 2018, Bailey invited us to the launch of the Pegasus Grande. And at the time, we looked at the Bologna, which is the same layout as our own 8-foot caravan. During that review, which you can see on our channel, I stood there and I said, I'm not sure how this G-shaped lounge would work for us. I'd have to take it away and try it out.
Well, Bailey must have been listening because we emailed him about 500 times to ask him if we could borrow said van to see actually how it worked in real life and when on tour.
So we're going to give you a genuine review of how we have found this caravan, not just stood looking at it, being pretty. We're going to put it to the test. Will we rate it or will we not? Find out and come on holiday with us.
This is a live-in review of the caravan. If you want to watch us walking around it, talking through it in bits and pieces, click on this link above here. I'll put a link in there so you can go straight to that to have a look.
Let's go. One thing that I really do like is this kitchen. It is so much bigger, I must admit, than our Adria, and it's so much more user-friendly. When these bits are down, you have all this space. So this morning, I'm going to knock up some breakfast. I've got some bowls, I've got some Weetabix, I've got some porridge. The only thing I really don't like is this drawer. It only seems to come out a certain way to there. And I'm a little bit cack-handed, so I found what I've been doing is pulling it out and it suddenly stops. That is the only thing I don't like. We'll get out our spoons and then we can make our breakfast. There is the microwave, so making porridge back there is going to be fairly easy. So there we go. And as you can see, Weetabix is very easy to do. I just take it out of the pack and put some in here. We've only got little bowls with us. Jules normally has a bigger bowl and has 4 Weetabix. Today, I think you might have to just stick with 3. There we go. For all these boxes and packages, there are loads of cupboards, so don't worry about that. That has its own little place. The second drawback on the kitchen is over here for me. I've got long nails. A lot of ladies will have nails. Even if you don't have them as long as me, you will probably struggle to get into the Dometic fridge because the place where you push it is not that easy. But we're in. The fridge itself is a good size for the caravan. I have a big up fridge and I probably do prefer it. However, that said, because it is the smaller one, the microwave's there and that's a much better height for me. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the kitchen. So I'll crack on with this and then we'll sit down, have breakfast and then carry on with the day.
Oh, Thank you.
At the launch, when we looked at these,
Can I get a word in edgeways? That'll do.
that was edgeways. At the launch, when we looked at these, the one thing I couldn't quite get my head round with the Bologna and this layout was how it would work for us. Obviously, conventional caravans have 2 sofas. This is a fantastic G shape with this little table already set up. There is another table as well if there are more of you. So, with me wanting to try this out, this is a great opportunity to have our first breakfast in the van and see just how useful it is. As you can see, plenty of room for Jules, plenty of room for me, and it's separate to more of the seating area. I hate to say it, but I really like this van. So yeah, I'm going to have breakfast and then we'll try it out for tea later when I'm actually going to cook a delightful meal. So we'll see you later.
Only 3?
Yeah, you can have 4 another time. I found the kitchen so good in the van that I've made breakfast in it, I've made lunch in it, and tonight, yes, for one time only, I'm going to cook a meal in it for tea. So stay with me to see exactly what I can knock up in this Bailey kitchen. I'll see you soon. So, as you can see, I've made the table for 2, and the question you're probably all asking is, what have I made us for tea? Well, let's have a look in the oven. First of all, I've made myself sweet and sour chicken. And what have I made Jules? Made him a kebab. Yeah, sorry, even with the amazing Bailey kitchen, I'm still not going to be cooking. Let's have some tea. Well, it's been a long few days in the Bailey Pegasus Grande Bologna, but we've had a fantastic time. Sadly though, tomorrow morning it's time to take it back. I think we're a little bit sad about that, to be honest. So, good night everybody, and we will see you in the morning.
Night night.
Night! And so that's it, we've come to the end of our time in the Bologna. We haven't done a full review of the caravan because we have already done that. But what we've done is try out the features that when we did review it, we were a bit confused about. So what about this G-shaped lounge? It's proven to be an absolute winner. This is probably the layout we both agree would work best for us. The table has been brilliant. We've been sat at that for eating, having a cup of tea and playing on our gadgets. And with the socket being down there, under the table, we've been able to keep them charged up. That is an absolute winner. As too is the Bailey kitchen. Loads of worktop space, the microwave's at a great height, and the fridge has been just perfect. The bedroom has worked really well for us, and the bathroom, we've even had a shower. The only thing in the bathroom is still the sink. When I reviewed it originally back in September, we both said that the bathroom sink was just too small and not very practicable, and I still stand by that. So, all in all, we've been genuinely impressed with this van.
The only other thing that I've noticed in the bathroom is that even though the sink's small, I can hit it at an angle where I can actually bend over and brush my teeth and use the facilities like you would at home. And also we mentioned about the
Unfortunately,
shower.
yeah, there's nowhere to put your shower gel. There's no little shelf or anything like that. And that is the only thing it misses. But you could
So for
buy
me,
your own.
I'm like this, trying to look for somewhere to bend down and put my shower gel, but
Yeah, he looks really good when he's doing that. So we were as well, for the price, this van is £24,500. We were a bit worried about the Truma air-blown heating because we have the wet central heating. But again, it's absolutely silent and it has worked so
really
well.
quiet.
Yeah,
really good.
Really impressed with that. So that was not a worry at all in the end. So I know what you're going to ask me. Would we, as Here We Tow, buy this van? Would we get rid of our van and buy this one? Well, there's just one thing that would stop me from buying this van. This is the one thing that would stop me from buying the van. I appreciate most Bailey buyers are going to be conservative. I'm not. I like it in your face, so to speak. I want some bling. Maybe a Bailey limited edition Here We Tow Pegasus Grande could be the future. Bit of chrome, bit of black, bit of bling. And then would I buy this van? I would. I actually really would. So thanks for watching. Make your own mind up.